Cheers, y'all. Welcome back to Beer Porn. Today we've got a good Firestone brew. Well, I hope it's good. Most Firestone is good. This is a Tequila Barrel Sunrise, vintage number 02. Tequila Barrel aged ale brewed with orange peel and hibiscus. Doesn't that sound good? Firestone's barrel aging stuff is awesome most of the time. Hopefully this will be too. Again with our signature Eldorado blonde barley wine, aged in extra añejo tequila barrels, then blended with small lots matured in cherry and orange bitters barrels. Finally, we infuse this blend with orange zest and hibiscus. Doesn't that sound good? Yes, it does. Let's see what we've got in the box. We've got a bottle cap. If you're over in Buellton, California, that's where Firestone's barrel aging project is, and they experiment with wild yeast strains. They do it there because they don't want the yeast getting loose in their main brewery in San Luis Obispo and running zillions of gallons of beer. So let's take a look here. It's got I don't care about that. 21 IBUs, 23 and a half cases produced. Oh, 2,350 maybe. British ale yeast, 11% alcohol, which is up where I like it. So 21 IBU and 11% ABV. Have I rambled on enough yet? Ooh, I got a whiff of something. I'm not sure what I have a whiff of, but it's something. We had our first rain of the year, or since the spring, winter, and things are starting to grow and sprout, and it smells nice around here outside, besides the beer. I got a whiff of the hibiscus, and I think tequila barrels. Salute. Oh, wait, for the benefit of those of you with flash photography, you're welcome. Caramel, sweet. And most of these brews get better as they warm. So when they get closer to room temperature, they smooth out and they get really, really good. Most of the time. Look at that pretty honey color. Isn't that gorgeous? Man, that is just gorgeous. A lot of effervescence. And it looks like honey. It smells a little like honey. Tastes a little like honey. The tequila, get the tequila barrels. The Eldorado, I think, was a good choice for the tequila barrels. It's like a honey blonde aged in tequila barrels with maybe a touch of hibiscus. And maybe a touch of the orange peel, but it's very, very subtle. It's not overpowering for sure. So they did a really great job of keeping everything nice and subtle and um, blended and matching and mixing, and it's good. I can't wait till it warms up. I'm not going to make you sit around all that time, but as it warms, I expect it to get even better, and an even bigger thumbs up. But yeah, this is good. So um, that's it for today. I'm gonna go get drunk now. Thanks for watching, y'all. Have a great day, and cheers.